Hello guys! Today I'll be showing you a secret area that can be found in Mushgrove Island. Here, how you can get into this. You can see there's a man sitting here and a boat there. This is where you walk into when you want to go there. Just walk straight here and you can see there's a mushroom here. Like in this area, there's like a tiny gate, or I don't know what you call this, if this was intentional by the devs. But here, you can do the trident glitch thing where you can go through walls, bringing out your rod and then typing the pumpkin. This way, you can glitch through the wall where there's a hidden something in that door. And I'll be showing you in this few moments. Uh, just walk here and then on the very corner, you need to be in there because most of the time, that's where the glitch works. I don't know if it works on some part of this gate, but this one works for me most of the time. Like, yeah. Whoa, first try. That's good. Here, there's an elevator where you can always see on Keeper's Altar, but it's not going to get you into the Keeper's Altar. This room is originally found by my friend, Nat underscore Rudo on TikTok. And thanks to him, I can show this to you guys. Oh, now we're in this area. Look, we're beneath the wall map, like under it. Let me bring my sundial because it's night. We can't really see anything. Nope. In front of us, there's a Forsaken. At the back, Ancient Isle. Oh, and at the Ancient Isle, you can't go there because there's nothing you can step in or walk into. Yeah. Look, in this area in front of us, we can just jump or use a glider if you want to go in that block. But just walk here and you'll be in the depths in a few seconds. Okay. The depths and the maze actually. This is the maze, not the actual depths. Probably the depths is actually above us. I don't really know, or below. But here, that block in front of us is the actual whirlpool or where the road is. Yeah. Yeah. That's the area where we can walk. But there's no entrance, no entrance. But here. Above here, there's a whirlpool that will pull you. And there we go. We're in the depths. Congrats.